go. Here is one of these Radiator lock shield caps. We've got TRVs the other end, but these things, obviously, they're quite old now. And the last time I looked, they're quite expensive. So rather than just kind of like chucking them out and buy some new ones, I thought we'd have a look at treating them to get them from that yellowy plastic back to hopefully a colour matching the radiator, because they do look a bit old. So I'm just going to take one off and let's go on to the next step. Right, so here we go. What we've got is this land silk, which is peroxide cream, 40 vol, 12%, and this 250ml. And this is what will turn the plastic from the yellow back to white. So we need to get the cream onto that. So I think what I'm going to do is just put some cream loosely on the cap and around. I haven't got any gloves, should wear gloves. And then just pop them into this bag, and then we put them in the sun so it starts the reaction. And then we'll probably just leave that for an hour and then see what it's like when we come back. Okay, so I'll just put a couple of splodges of the peroxide onto the caps. Then you just need to put these into this bag, which is difficult when you've got one hand. One, two, and then I think I'll put a little bit more of the peroxide in the bag. Put the cap on that, seal up the zip bag. The idea of the zip bag is because we don't want things drying out too quickly. So once that's all in, we just need to kind of rub it around the plastic like so. And then we're going to put this in the sun to let it do its stuff. Go. So the caps, the radiator caps, lock shield caps, have been out in the garden. This is one I haven't done. So they've been out in the garden for probably about 3 hours in the sunshine, just rolling them over, and the result is quite good. There's still a little bit of yellow in there, but if you compare, this is one that hasn't been done, to the two that have been done, that's quite a difference. If we look at the top caps as well, so there you go, that is pretty good. What I'm going to do next is maybe just leave these. It's the end of the day at the moment, so I need a little bit more sunshine, but I might just give them another session outdoors in the sunshine tomorrow. But yeah, that's the result that you can get with this peroxide. Me using this land silk, so it's 40 volume, 12% cream peroxide. That's just 250ml bottle. So yeah, give it a go. I think in like the sort of retro old games consoles and computers that have a similar problem with plastic, that people do this on the plastic. Obviously you may get a little bit of a reaction on the plastic, so maybe just do a bit of testing beforehand to make sure that you're not melting the plastic at all. But you do need the sunshine for the reaction. Use a food bag, gloves if you've got them for your hands, and leave it out for about 4 hours in the sun, rotating it every hour for the reaction to take place. So thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please ask. Bye.